Hi, my name's Kyle. I'm a prompt solutions engineer here at elvex, and I'm going to show you how I use elvex in my day-to-day job to help me help users. So my job is to help users build assistants, help them find the right models, the right rules to solve the problems that they're using elvex to solve. We keep track of all users' positive and negative feedback in the platform, and I'm going to show you how I analyze that data so I can make insights and help users um, solve their problems better with more accurate assistance. So when users report positive and negative feedback, we store that in a Postgres database. I have a connection to that Postgres database here in elvex. It is just the feedback data, and I've set up so that we can query this data through elvex. This is a live database. I also have a change log that keeps track of different changes on each day that we make releases. And this is helpful for me, and I'll show you how I use that. So my assistant, this is the feedback analyst assistant. I'm going to click this latest feedback button, and we're going to watch it get to work. So what it's going to do is it's going to read first the change log, try and identify what days we've had releases on. Then it's going to query the database for the last 30 days of positive and negative feedback. And last, it's going to create charts to try and display how feedback has changed over time and what models are getting the most positive and negative feedback. And then last, it's going to provide some insights for me. Let's just start from the top. So the first chart is this feedback by day over the last 30 days. So we can see all of the positive and negative feedback from our users with another marker on here that indicates when we made releases. And I use this to just determine, hey, maybe a specific release caused a specific outcome and users are responding to it. So this is nice because that release information comes from a Google Doc and the actual feedback information comes from a database. So I can use elvex to combine two different data sources into a single interesting and insightful chart. And then I can download this image and send it to my teammates in Slack if I want to. The next chart is feedback by model. So this sums up all of the feedback and groups it by the model that the feedback was applied to. So we could see which models have the most positive feedback, which models has the least positive feedback, most negative feedback. And this information helps me determine which models I should suggest to users and which models they should avoid using. I can also stack this information if I like that display better. And then lastly, it produces this outcome or summary, and it combines the information from our changelog and the information from the database and comes up with a summary for me that maybe gives me some interesting insights about what has changed and why. So that's how I use elvex to help me with my job. Thanks.